Hello, I am Samir Natu, co-founder of Wild Techsoft Private Limited. We are an engineering R&D services company with focus on performance engineering. We believe performance should be measured, analyzed, and improved at every level, from hardware, operating system, to workloads, automation, dashboards, and engineering workflows. PACS is one such demonstration of this philosophy. PACS stands for Framework for Analysis and Comparison of Tests. It is a regression dashboard designed to organize benchmark results, compare platforms, identify regressions, and improve engineering productivity. In this demo, benchmark tests are executed using Google Perfect Benchmarker. However, this framework is automation suite agnostic and can be integrated with any test automation suite. The frontend is built on React.js with a Flask Python backend. It supports both SQL and NoSQL databases depending on the deployment requirements. The goal is to provide a lightweight, flexible, and extensible platform for performance analysis. Starting with the first page, it shows us the overview of different benchmarks that have been run. It allows you to select your normalized reference point. Below, it tells you an overview of all the benchmarks that were run with their categories and how many tests were run.
Here, we are looking at MySQL Sysbench benchmark. It allows users to filter results, making it easier to isolate the impact of platform, software, or configuration changes. PACS is also AI-enabled, which is tuned for performance analysis. The AI layer helps users ask natural language questions about benchmarks, results, trends, and configurations. For example, a user can ask which configuration delivered the best performance for a specific test, whether a run behaved as expected, or how performance changed across operating systems or CPU types. This reduces manual analysis effort and helps teams move faster from raw data to actionable insights. If you scroll below, you will find all the test results listed as they were run. You can sort them with reference to the machine type, test date, or for the best performance. It also shows whether the results have the system profiler information, the performance analysis, or the system details captured with the same test. If we click on a particular test result, it allows us to go in depth and understand what settings or under what settings this test was run and ensure that the test actually ran as it was expected. So if you look at this, it is capturing all the information related to the platform, the firmware, operating system, and the rest of the peripherals. If you go to the System Profiler tab, it captures the real-time the CPU utilization during the test run, along with the memory usage, network utilization, disk utilization, etc. It also captures the same for the server and the client, which ensures that the client was not bottlenecked or saturated when the test ran, ensuring that the test actually ran as it was intended. The repeatability or reproducibility of the same test results is always an engineering hurdle that every engineer is aware of. For the very same reason, what we are doing here is actually capturing the command line the test was run with, also the YAML configuration file that needs to be run, which allows the exact same result to be reproduced.
PACS convert raw benchmark data into structured performance intelligence, enabling faster analysis, better decisions, and clearer customer communication. For Wild, this is an example of performance engineering in action, combining automation, dashboards, analytics, and AI to improve our engineering productivity.